Guess the monster.
But the Zookeeper saved me! After those mean outsiders zapped me.
That's right, it's Cat Monster.
But the Zookeeper saved me! After those mean outsiders zapped me, the Zookeeper...
Do you know this monster? It's Elephant Monster. Which monster voice is this? It's Frog Monster. Guess the next one. It's Koala Monster. Are you ready? Let's go. That's Lizard Monster. Who's behind this voice? It's Monkey Monster. Let's keep going. That's Ostrich Monster. Next monster. It's Rabbit Monster. Can you identify this monster? That's Slime Monster. Guess the monster.
And you are not welcome here! Now stay down!
It's Smile Cat.
And you are not welcome here! Now stay down!
Wait, no, no!
Move to the next one. That's Watermelon Monster. Can you guess this character?
Is under my protection. No, no, no!
It's Zookeeper.
This zoo is under my protection. No, no, no!
Who's the next character?
This zoo is under my protection.
That's Evil Bam Bam.
This zoo is under my protection.
Ready for the next monster. It's Kittysaurus. Guess the monster.
And we're alive. We're the last ones. But even if we get out of...
It's Sad Sheriff Toadster.
And we're alive. We're the last ones. But even if we get out...
Who's the next character?
Charles.
Yeah, but what kind of animal makes that sound?
That's Choo Choo Charles.
Yeah, but what kind of animal makes that sound?
Guess the monster. It's Bitter Jiggle. Are you ready? Let's go. That's Monster Opila. Do you know this monster?
If you want to go further, you must answer a question. What's two?
It's Miss Delight.
If you want to go further, you must answer a question. What's 2 plus 2?
Can you identify this monster? That's Nightmare Huggy Wuggy. Okay, last one.
Don't do this!
This is your end, brother.
Please, I want to go.
It's Devil Catnap.
Don't do this!
This is your end, brother.
Please, I want to go.